Hey guys, welcome back to Play Toys. Today I'm going to teach you guys how to make fluffy slime. So let's get started. So first you want to take out a container and then add some glue. You can use any glue but make sure your glue is PVAL. So you just want to add some glue. I'm making a small amount of slime, so I'm just putting a drop or two. So it seems like just enough. I'm adding this much. I'm just adding a little bit. Then now you want to take some shaving foam, any brand will do. Then you want to add a little bit of shaving foam only. So I added this much of shaving foam. Then you want to add a very good mix. Then make sure it has this very creamy texture. Then you want to add some contact lens solution. Make sure your contact lens solution has these two ingredients, sodium borate and boric acid in it, or it would not work. Then you just want to add a drop or two into your slime. So I added 2 drops. Then you want to mix it. Then it should start clumping together like this. Then you can go with your hands already. Remember, don't add contact solution now or your slime will turn hard. Just mix it. Look at that, guys. This slime is so stretchy and fluffy. This is the slime I made previously. It's also the same slime. So this is the slime I made before the video, and this is the slime I made just now. I'm gonna mix them together. And look at this beautiful and fluffy slime. This slime is so easy to make. It only takes 3 ingredients and you just need like 2 minutes to make it. Make sure don't add any contact lens solution if it's sticky. Keep on mixing it because the contact lens solution will make it hard. So yeah, this is the slime. So please remember to like and subscribe to Play Toys. Bye!